Welcome back to the Human Geo News Channel. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Carlos Curry.
And I'm Amani Coleman.
Our topic discussed today is ocean pollution.
You mean the primary reason why plants and animals are damaged?
Exactly. Ocean pollution is when humans, just like you and me, produce and release chemical, industrial, and agricultural waste, meaning that as awful as this may sound, we are ultimately destroying our earth.
One of the biggest sources of pollution is called non-point source pollution. This is caused by runoff of water, which includes small sources such as septic tanks, cars, trucks, and boats, and large sources such as farms.
Another form of pollution is called point source pollution, which comes from a single source like oil or chemical spills.
Microplastics are included with this pollution. These are tiny pieces of plastic that marine animals consume along with trash that they accidentally eat.
The long-term effects of this are still unsure, but it is probable that the chemicals used to produce these can leak out and deteriorate in organisms' internal body systems. We then consume these organisms, and the microplastics enter our systems, potentially harming us.
A major question today is, if ocean pollution has an extensive amount of consequences, why don't we find a solution for it? But it's more complicated than that.
Unfortunately, the majority of people are unaware of the previously discussed long-term consequences of this issue.
Although this issue is complex and no one has been able to find a solution for it, Carlos and I discussed various factors that we could focus on that would work as a solution.
This would be a three-step solution.
The first step would be to get nonprofit organizations to focus on improving the environment, to remove some of the trash, while also spreading the word of the issue and promoting people all over the world to help.
Step 2 is to conduct research and genetically engineer a bacteria that is completely harmless to all organisms and the atmosphere. The bacteria would only eat plastic and its dangerous chemicals and components. And once all the plastic is eaten and their food source is gone, they will eventually die out.
The last step is to suggest laws that ban all plastics so that the use of plastic in restaurants, homes, and products is quickly reduced. Then provide the materials to produce biodegradable products to replace plastic. These products will switch the plastic products out, allowing those in the plastic industry to maintain their jobs creating biodegradable products rather than plastic.
Although this is an expensive solution, it can be done with under $1 billion. Conducting the research and genetically modifying the bacteria would be the most expensive aspect of the solution, but it could be done with a very efficient budget. With this solution, the issue of ocean pollution will be greatly reduced in the process of elimination, allowing us, plants, and animals to live in a healthy environment. You are all key to solving this issue, so spread the word on the solution and take part in the replacement of plastic with biodegradable products.
That's all the time we have for today.
This is the Human Geo News Channel. Good afternoon and see you soon.